Hey everybody, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So to start off 2022, you're looking at a Casablanca Four Seasons ceiling fan in the bronze finish. This is a Four Seasons 3 model, although it does not say on top of the motor, it just says Four Seasons. This fan has the rattan blades on it, which came with it. Now I have two sets of them. I have this set, and then I have a new box set that I believe I filmed at some point, but I really can't remember what Casablanca I filmed them on. But nonetheless, I have two sets now. This one I got off of Dumpster Place. I think it was $10. I believe it was marked as like 50, and then I saw it at 10, and it was like maybe 20 minutes away, so I went and grabbed it. Came 100% complete. This thing is really gross. When I get up close to it, you're going to see the amount of dust that's built up on this fan. It's even inside of the vents, which is pretty gross, but I'll try my best to clean it. Probably better off just taking it outside and spraying it with a hose, but I guess I'll do that in the summertime maybe. This particular model is from February 27th, 2003. I believe it was the 145th fan made that day. But yeah, so anyway, I will fire it up. Start with low. Of course, it goes terribly slow on low speed, but considering it's pretty much a 2000s Hunter, it doesn't do too bad. Has a bad hum to it, unfortunately. I do have two more of these in my collection. I have one just like this, but with the original blades, and it's in white. I also have a motor to a Four Seasons 3 Outsider, also in white. But these aren't bad fans for what they are. They really aren't. They're just a little bit, Casablanca's cheapo fan. Put it that way. There's some paint on one of the blade arms and blade. Probably see it whirling around up there. That's it for low. There's medium. Does have some rust on the screws and on the pull chain, so I'm guessing this might have been installed in a damp location. Really, there's no difference between low and medium. Capacitor could be drifting, so I'm probably going to have to open it up and look at it. That's about medium. Goes high. Probably here I'll hold that pull chain as the pull. It does get moved on high though. It's not too bad for being a big bladed fan. You can see how fast it's going from that paint splatter on the blades. It's not doing too bad. It wouldn't move as much air as something like that would, but it's doing okay. Also, it's freezing out here since there's snow outside, so I really don't want to stand under it too much. see the dust just hanging off of the thing. Let's see some more right there. And even up there, it's really bad. It's caked inside of dust. Yeah, that's the paint. And the top is up there. Not too interesting. There's the tag as well. See, that's pretty corroded. But that's the way it is. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.